Let me now present Analytics and Education section of FBS website. This section is for those who don't want to stop on what has already been achieved. It's for those who want to be better informed about what's going on at the Forex market in order to seize as many profit opportunities as possible. Let's walk through Analytics and Education at fbs.com. In Forex news, you will find the latest economic and market news one needs for successful trading. Our team will keep you updated and guide you through the constant stream of financial data so that you will be able to focus on the really important things. Our news team covers commodities, currencies, economy, and stocks. Next section, Daily Market Analysis, contains currency forecasts and recommendations from the most professional traders and analysts. Here you can browse through trade signals as well as technical and fundamental analysis. If you are more a viewer than a reader, go to Forex TV. Here you can find weekly and daily analytical videos as well as the recordings of webinars. Don't forget to consult traders' tools. The first tool is Economic Calendar. It is a list of important economic releases scheduled for the day. Check it before opening your position. Moreover, as the currency market strongly depends on central banks, it's worth checking the schedule of central bank meeting just to be prepared for the next spike in volatility. Last but not the least, Forex Calculator. Here you can choose the parameters and automatically calculate things for your position. Choose the account type, for example sand. Choose the trading tool like for example euro-dollar. Then the position size in lots, currency of account, leverage and entry prices. Press calculate. You will be presented with calculations of position of point value, spread, swaps long and short, and the margin. You are now ready to open your position. Next we come to the education section of fbs.com, which starts with Forex guidebook, where you can find comprehensive and educational materials. If you are a newbie, start from beginner, block, and then move to elementary and so on. Be sure that this way your knowledge will have a good structure. This text course provides a great basis for your further Forex education. In addition, we have collected a library of Forex articles in tips for traders. Here is a great selection of trading strategies and Forex life hacks. Do you want to participate in live events and ask your questions to FBS analysts? Then we encourage you to attend online webinars and offline seminars. At these interactive lessons, you will deepen your knowledge of Forex and acquire skills of Forex professionals. Check the following sections of the website to see the schedule of the upcoming events.
Stay tuned for other titles in this series. They're on the way.